Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Pet Nail Grinder.
Number 5.
Aber's Dog Nail Grinder, powerful electric pet nail. Aber's professional pet nail grinder constructed with advanced 2000 mAh lithium battery. Our electric nail grinder is designed with diamond bit and equipped with high-quality brass. Our dog nail grinder has 3 sized ports and 2-speed switch for our different needs. Aber's pet nail trimmer is rechargeable and lightweight, with a USB charging cable. We always put all our efforts to make sure you're completely satisfied with your purchase.
Number 4.
Cuspa iDog Nail Grinder Upgraded. Safe, effective and precise trimming, this dog nail grinder uses an advanced diamond bit grinder to deliver the safest. Advanced 2-speed switch and 3 grinding ports, the trimmer features an adjustable, low-high speed design. Super low noise and vibration. Many pets get stressed by the sound and vibration of pet nail grinder. Rechargeable and portable, the cordless dog grinder is rechargeable and has an indicator light. Lifetime replacement guarantee. We're very confident about the premium quality of our heavy.
Number 3.
DailyPet Electric Pet Dog Nail Grinder Quiet Auto. USB rechargeable, with a USB charging cable, can conveniently connect to laptop, AC adapter. 3 size ports. The pet nail trimmer has 3 size ports. You can choose a suitable one according. Safe and professional, our pet nail grinder are designed for pets exclusively. Instead of cutting the nail, low vibration and low noise, DailyPet Pet Nail Grinder is equipped with super mute motor but powerful. Non-slip design. Adopt the non-slip design, comfortable to grip the silicone handle when trimming.
Number 2.
Oster Gentle Paws Less Stress Dog. Designed for pets, Whisper Quiet Rotary Tool for stress-free pet nail trimming. Adjustable safety guard helps ensure you don't trim too far and captures filings for less mess. Works on all breeds of cats and dogs with a powerful 2-speed design. Includes everything you need to effectively trim your pet's nails. Includes coarse stone, fine band, and 2 coarse bands.
Number 1.
Dremel 7300 PGK 4.8V Pet Grooming Kit. World's first 45-degree paw guide assures the correct angle for success when trimming your pet's nails. The attachment captures nail dust and contains a guard, with a clear cap for easy viewing. contains a simple hinge for easy cleaning and assembly. 2 speeds, 6,500 and 13,000 RPM. Save money by eliminating recurring grooming fees. Cordless tool can be used for both pet nails and light-duty projects. Charge time 3 hours. Material, high-density plastic.